In 2020, we acquired ASL Roteq to bring value to our customers. We wanted more ways to serve you better, including making John Brooks a one-stop shop for all your pumping needs. We know budgets can be tight in municipal and industrial settings, limiting your ability to refurbish and repair old and failing equipment. That's why we offer top-to-bottom supplies and services. Our experts can repair, upgrade, maintain, train, and more with quick turnaround times to make the most of your pump equipment. With our fully equipped service center and experienced technicians, we provide complete engineered and reverse engineered solutions. Our engineering department can do it all, no matter the pump, from the simple repair to the complex overhaul. Our field service team does it all, including emergency service, installation and startup, refurbishing, and more on every pump, mixer, motor, or gear reducer. Our world-class predictive maintenance program provides everything from vibration analysis to seal leak, bearing temperature and electrical monitoring, and beyond to keep your systems operating efficiently. Turnkey solutions are what we do best. We're a one-stop shop for technical field services, and we mean it. As an authorized service center for Wilden, CPEX, Pulsafeeder, Gorman-Rupp, and Vaughan Pumps, we know all the ins and outs of major brands and technologies. Combined with our network of sub-trade contractors, we can assess and solve your unique application challenges with practical, well-rounded solutions. After installing, testing, and analyzing your systems, it's vital that we share our knowledge with your staff with rigorous training. We conduct fully interactive pump training courses for operators, supervisors, mechanics, and technicians to help your operations be as self-sufficient as possible. We've designed our training programs to provide personnel with a deeper knowledge of how pumps operate, diagnostic capabilities, troubleshooting, and more so they can improve pump life and operational efficiency. Looking for top-to-bottom pump solutions and services? Visit johnbrooks.ca and download one of our service brochures or request a consultation with one of our experts today.